What dietary substrate is broken down into glucose and galactose by the action of intestinal enzymes? Fructose, lactose, maltose, mannose, sucrose.
This is a pretty straightforward question with regards to the brush border enzyme components. Glucose plus glucose, maltase. Glucose plus fructose, sucrase. Glucose plus galactose, lactase. Glucose plus galactose, lactose. Lactose is a disaccharide which contains galactose and glucose. Maltose is a disaccharide composed of glucose molecules. Glucose and fructose combine to form sucrose. Fructose is a monosaccharide and mannose is an aldohexose monomer.
Disclaimer: an 18+ mnemonic is available to remember the brush border enzyme. Whoever struggles to recall it, feel free to contact the Mrcp syndrome.